So the thing is, it's a nice weather, so let's go for a walk. Come with me. So let's go. Sobrang ganda ng weather, so we decide to go for a walk. Look at it, guys. It's so sunny, and then we're gonna walk towards on that. There's a trails over there, so we're gonna walk. I'm so excited for a walk. Summer is coming. So guys, I'll show you where I'm walking at the moment. So, oh my god, isn't it beautiful? Jeez. Look at the sun, guys, reflect on my face. Holy crap. So when it's winter time here, this lake or river is frozen. Totally frozen and full of ice. Look at that. It's floating in the water. So we're gonna walk towards at the end of this. So guys, itong nilalakaran namin is, what is it? Golf tournament?
Golf
What?
course?
Yeah,
Golf course?
it's a golf course. And then it's a really, really nice trails too. So think about it, guys, like winter time here starting at November, right? Mostly second week of November, and then finish until May. I think that's the last month of snow, but some still have snow for sure, because the whole month of April it's full of rain. Is it? I think so.
It's our rainy season.
Yeah, rainy season is month of April. So good thing, guys. So it's gonna be finished soon, and then summer. So yep. There's a lot of shit here because of the dogs, for sure.
Canada Geese.
What is it? Canada?
Canada Geese.
Yeah, that's the brand of the jacket, right?
Yes.
So where we're walking at the moment is totally mud, because month of April, as I said, it's spring, so lots of rain. I walked these trails for the first time last year, and it was really, really beautiful. So look at it, guys. This is snow. I'm so excited to get my sunglasses too. Yeah. So this one, guys, my sunglasses. We just bought it in PEI. It's just only $1. These sunglasses, eh? And then at work, they asking, where did you bought that one? It's like a real wood.
It looks like it.
But no, it's not real wood. It's a plastic, guys. Look at that. Jeez. Guys, tingnan nyo. Sobrang ganda talaga. Promise. Holy shit. So, this is a river, eh? So, this river, when it's winter time, it's frozen. So you can walk on the middle, right? Like the better month to walk on the river is February. You think so? Okay, guys, they said it. When it's seeds in the trees, this is the sign of spring already. And then I don't know what kind of trees is this.
Pussy willow.
Seriously?
Pussy willow. Yes.
Oh yeah? Okay. They call it pussy. Jeez.
Willow.
Pussy willow. So they call this one tree. So this is the sign spring is coming. So yeah. Is it the whole trees of this is name is pussy willow? So it's so weird name. But I don't know. Guys, look at that lake. Sobrang ganda. Jeez. I can't believe, guys. Well, I see already in the Shadiac River. But this one, guys, so beautiful. Because last time when we walk here, it's already water. But this time, guys, it's frozen. See, I'm walking on the lake. See? Oh my god! See how beautiful the nature it is. This is life, guys. This is life. But this nature, it helped me a lot. So thanks to the nature. Oh, they have a small falls. Neat, guys. So it's starting melting, to be honest. But the ice, it's so thick, and then it takes 1 month more for sure before everything is gonna melt. To be honest, guys, it's so peaceful. Like you can't hear anything. And then this is what I want. Like I don't want or I don't need somebody else around me. It's just only peace of mind. What is that?
Easter egg.
Oh no, that's a ball for golf.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we found a golf ball. And it's so cool. I like the color. It's green. See this green? We found it. There's one cottage here. Like next to that. I don't know if you see it. This one. So we found the cottage. Guess what? That's cottage. And then must be the owner is so lucky because you know it's in front of the lake, and then like you don't have neighbor, you can't hear anything, like there's no noise at all, just only in the nature. And then that's what I love the most is the nature. Oh, we found another ball. So I got 2 balls. Jeez. Okay guys, so if you notice this one, this is not a duck shit or duck poop, okay? So they remove that from the lawn so at least it grow again or it don't impact inside of the root or what so on. But look at it guys, this is not the duck poop. It looks like a duck poop but no it's not. So see that guys, so there's a lot of hole in the lawn as you can see, but it's kind of weird. I only know so now that they're just trying to dig a hole so at least might be it grow more better the lawn, or the lawn need air inside for sure. That's why they're doing that, because this is a big golf course here. Oh my god, this is so huge to be honest. Look at it guys, as you can see there's a lot. It's not, as I said, that's not a duck poop. So I see this cottage next to the river. It's so beautiful to be honest. And then this is what I want. Guys, look at that cottage. Guys, ganito yung gusto kong buhay. Like, nasa tabi ka lang ng river. And then, you have cows, you have chicken, you have goats. Look at that. Ganyan yung gusto kong buhay, guys. It's so peaceful. And then, guys, look at it. I'm in the lake. Jeez. Guys, we're walking on the middle of the lake. Oh my god. Look at that house. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. And then it looks like they just built it. Before, when we walk here, it's just only two houses that we see, but now this one, the next one, the yellow one, and then the last one, the brown one that I show with you. So ngayon naglalakad kami dito sa river na to or lake, whatever. So sobrang nakaka-amaze lang na this one guys is snow, frozen. It's really frozen. And then this is what I want to explore more, like what nature it is looks like. Oh my god, they just build a lot of cottage here now. So what's your thoughts about it? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, and then please guys don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.